don't do that.
I'm warming it up.
Well, you're not going to warm it up. William is dead. There it is, a dead hen. We've had pretty good luck with our chickens in the past, but looks like our luck has finally run out. We aren't sure what happened, but both doors were closed last night, so nothing got in. But it's hard to tell sometimes, you never know what happened. The kids are helping me bury the chicken. I don't think there's any point in trying to hide death from the kids because it's a real thing that happens in life. Hey kids?
Yeah.
Hey, everything dies, doesn't it? So everything has to die, right? So while it's very sad when things die, it's just a part of life, isn't it? But you have to respect animals. That this chicken gave us lots of eggs for breakfast. Okay, so you got to say thank you to the chicken for giving us lots of eggs.
Thank you for chicken too.
Say thank you, chicken.
Thank you, chicken. Thank you, chicken.
Maybe the chicken's soul is up in heaven. Do you think so?
Yeah.
Maybe.
Like way up in the clouds?
Maybe. Watching us.
Watching us from way down here?
Maybe. Okay, so we're going to dig a hole for the chicken, okay? Hey guys, why do you think we're digging a hole in the wood chips? Yeah, but why don't we dig a hole in the ground? In the dirt?
Because it's too hard to.
That's right. The ground's all frozen.
But the wood chips are not.
But the wood chips aren't frozen. And the other reason is because in the spring, when the wood chips all warm up, the chicken will turn into compost in the wood chips. Yeah.
Compost?
Yeah.
And then we eat compost.
No, we put compost in the garden though. But compost has to sit for a long time. When you have a dead animal in the compost, you have to let it. You have to let it.
Worms in the compost, they'll make it turn into vegetables.
Well, no, the worms turn the compost into very good food for the vegetables. The worms are sleeping this time of year.
And it looks like dirt.
Yeah, compost looks just like dirt. Hey, don't go too close to the camera.
No, when it sits for a long year,
Yeah.
for a long time, when the worms.
No, the worms, you can't see the worms. They're deep down in the ground, sleeping for the winter. So far this year we've had a very mild winter, but the next couple days is forecasting to be some really cold temperatures. They're saying down to like -30, which isn't like we haven't had that before, but for this year it's a first. The wind's just started to pick up. You can kind of see the trees are blowing behind me. Snow is starting to blow. So I got a couple things I want to get fixed up in the chicken coop before it gets too cold and we have issues. I want to get their water heater in there. Also going to check, make sure that the heat lamps are working. And what else am I going to do? And I'm also going to put a humidity sensor in here because we've been having some humidity issues, and I just want to see if it's actually issues or if it just something to worry about, or if it isn't. This is the bucket heater we bought. I'm going to throw it into our water here with the nipples on the bottom. I got a little outlet right there to plug it into, and that should keep this from freezing up on them.
Bye.